In today's world, where our precious resources like fresh air and clean water are getting depleted rapidly and becoming a serious global menace, at Zoloto Valves, we are committed to creating a sustainable future by reducing waste, conserving resources, and inspiring others to join the movement. We very humbly welcome you to Zoloto Valves, where precision meets innovation and innovation meets tradition in the world of valve manufacturing. We are dedicated to engineering excellence, delivering quality and reliability in every product we produce in our segment. Founded in 1966, our journey began with a vision to redefine the quality standards in the valve technology. From our humble beginnings, we have grown into a preferred valve manufacturer, pioneering advancements that have shaped the industry.
Hello, everyone. It's an honor sharing this proud moment with all of you. I convey very humble thanks to all our channel partners, customers, and consumers.
Our state-of-the-art facilities are equipped with the latest technology, enabling us to design and manufacture valves that meet the highest standards of precision and durability. Our valves are more than just valves. They are critical components that drive efficiency, safety, and performance across sectors like plumbing, firefighting, HVAC, water, sewerage treatment, power generation, and more. With an annual production capacity of more than 6 million units as of now in a vast 1.5 million square foot facility. Our passion for precision serves industries, businesses, and communities countrywide. Our extensive product range is not just comprehensive, it is transformative. Our president, Mr. Ashu Hans, with the blend of administrative and interpersonal skills, has been instrumental in establishing a proficient work environment and work ethics in managing the critical part of everyday operations. Each valve is engineered with meticulous attention to detail, ensuring reliability and performance in the most demanding environments. Our valves journey begins in the design phase, where our team of experienced engineers and designers harness cutting-edge technology to create innovative and reliable valve solutions with highest safety standards. Precision manufacturing is at the core of our operations, ensuring consistency and durability.
It's an absolute privilege to be here today as part of this incredible journey. I want to begin by expressing my deepest gratitude to my elders and seniors. Their blessings, guidance, and values have been a constant source of strength and inspiration in shaping my path.
Equipped with state-of-the-art machinery and advanced automation, we ensure each valve meets rigorous quality standards. Every valve undergoes meticulous assembly and comprehensive multiple quality checks. Testing is the most crucial part of our process. From pressure tests to performance simulations, we put our valves through rigorous conditions to ensure they perform flawlessly under real-world conditions. Innovation is at the heart of what we do. Our dedicated team of engineers and technicians are constantly exploring new technologies and solutions, pushing the boundaries to deliver products that not only meet but exceed every expectation. Zoloto Valves take immense pride in being India's pioneer in the indigenous production of forged brass ball valves and forged brass pressure-reducing valves, showcasing our unwavering commitment to simplify application engineering. Our commitment to quality and excellence is recognized and certified by many esteemed institutions. We are not only manufacturing quality valves, but are also firmly committed to the environment protection. For a greener planet, we actively implement measures like sewage treatment plant to recycle water for nurturing plantation, coupled with extensive tree planting, significantly minimizing our carbon footprint. We firmly believe that in healing the environment, we heal ourselves. In a short span of time, our sister concern, Zoloto Malleables, has also emerged in its own league as one of the finest manufacturer of GI heavy pipe fittings in the country today. Our nationwide network of authorized stockists, zones and their branch offices is the heartbeat of our sale operations, being looked after by our President Sales and Marketing, Mr. Bunty Hans. Our success is built on the strength of our people. For more than 6 decades, we have been at the forefront of valve manufacturing, where every team member's contributions are valued and recognized. For the last 6 decades, we have earned the trust of innumerable consumers. Our commitment to quality and customer satisfaction has made us a trusted partner in their success stories. Our legacy does not stop at manufacturing valves. It extends to nurturing relationships with our customers, who are partners on this journey. As we celebrate 6 decades of excellence, we look forward to continuing our legacy of innovation and quality.
At Zoloto, the journey is not just about progress. It's about building a legacy of trust, innovation, and excellence together. Thank you for your unwavering support and belief in what we do. Let's continue to shape the future by saving every drop of the resources we have.
With all your love and blessings, may Zoloto continue to touch lives every day, everywhere. Thank you.
Together, we will shape the future of valve manufacturing, one breakthrough at a time. We very humbly thank you for being part of our journey. We look forward to working with you and achieving new heights together.